work at a church, and I'm a high school youth pastor.
I work at a junior high. I teach 7th and 8th grade language arts.
These are our two dogs.
He's looking for the food.
This is Kingston, who's smelling the food everywhere.
This is my little Spitfire Roo.
Go get it. Okay. Neither of you? I've always loved Grand Rapids area. West Michigan is just an amazing place.
There's a lot to do. The city life is just 15 minutes in one direction. The beach is 15 minutes in another direction.
We love that we're close to the beach. You know, we can drive to Grand Haven, we can see the lighthouse, and it's just a really beautiful place to go, you know, and just enjoy the sunset. This is so beautiful.
I love it here. We're looking for houses between $275,000 and $300,000. We really don't want to go over $300,000.
The price will be the thing that I'm always looking at, just because I am a little tight with money.
What do you think of this one?
Yeah, it's cute. It's good. It's a cool house.
I like those shutters. I'm looking for a cottage-style house. I love the white trim, and it just feels clean and classy. Definitely want a new house that has never been lived in, maybe. I don't know if we can afford it. And I would like 2 stories. I think it looks really nice.
I'd like a ranch-styled home. I grew up in a ranch-styled home where all of our rooms were on the main level. And so that's just what I love. And then I obviously don't like the straight across roof line.
Can't get
I don't like
Christmas
that.
lights.
I've always loved Christmas lights. I don't know why, it's kind of strange. Like every year I look forward to putting Christmas lights on our current home.
Well,
Pretty
this
good.
is something that you would spend money on, right?
Yes, I actually would spend more money on Christmas lights. I just love the peaked roofs. I think that looks really good. Good roof real estate means good Christmas lights.
Hey, Jeff, can you come get this for me, please?
Yeah.
It's a little too high. It's a little high to reach the top cabinet, so it would be nice to not have to like get a step stool out or call Jeff over.
Yeah, which happens a lot. Well, it's a 2-story.
Yeah, I like it.
Which I'm not a huge fan of the 2 stories. I kind of want the ranch, but
I like the style a lot. The roof line?
it's got a good roof line.
Yeah.
A lot of Christmas lights up on those peaks up there.
Yeah.
So I'm excited about that. Guys, how are you?
Hey,
What's up,
Ken.
Ken? How you doing?
What are your first impressions?
I like it.
Yeah.
Looks new.
It is. This one's right up Gina's alley.
I know.
2-story, brand new.
Yep, she loves her new houses, so.
Oh, and sorry, how much is it?
Oh, so because it's new, I had to stretch things a little, Gina. $325.
Oh.
I know Jeff is a little worried about the price. It's more than we want to spend, so that's a little concerning for him, but I think it's worth it. I'd rather have a home with new finishes and not a lot of projects. I love the trim. It has that cottage style that I was really
all
looking
that
for.
craftsman's look is really sharp.
Yeah, it's nice trim, yeah.
It's got a little office space here.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of a
Interesting.
flex room.
Yeah.
It's got really low ceilings right here. That's kind of weird.
Don't try and jump through there, Jeff.
Yeah, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
you can just feel like it's just new. It just
You
feels
like it.
clean and nice
You got
and
her on
pretty.
new, man. You
Nothing
got
like
her
the feel of brand new. It's got your nice island, Gina.
Yes, I love this. This is really
Oh,
nice.
yeah.
What do you think about the sink in the island?
I actually really like the
do?
sink on the island, I do. Do you?
No.
Not a huge fan. I mean, I know it takes away from the space, but
But I like how big the island is.
yeah.
I like the cabinets in here. They're
Yeah.
pretty low, so I could reach everything. That's
Yeah,
nice.
these ones are a little low, but are you sure you can reach up here? This one's kind of tall.
You have to jump for that one, Gina.
Yeah,
It's got a nice pantry here, too, for you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice. It's not too high of shelves.
Yeah,
too.
the shelves aren't high for Gina, so she can reach the stuff up here, so.
They thought of you on that one, Gina.
Yeah,
They
there you
did.
go. Uh-oh, no fence.
Oh, yeah, no fence. I don't like that.
Yeah, you
That'll
have to
be-
put some fencing up
That
for the
won't be good
dogs.
for the dogs, yeah.
How much does a fence usually cost?
Depends what kind of fencing you do, but you might run into somewhere between $5,000 and $10,000.
That's kind of a lot.
Depending on how nice you go,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, yeah.
With the house already being $325, that's kind of a lot to tack on at the end. So I'm kind of hung up on that a little bit.
Okay, so the master's on the first floor.
It
and
is.
then the other bedrooms are,
The other bedrooms are upstairs. You've got one here and then 2 up.
okay. I don't love that. I really like when the bedrooms are on the same floor.
It's been popular these days in new construction to get a main floor master.
Really?
Okay.
Yeah.
And I
take a
like
look.
new. So is this the
It's
closet?
got your closet, Gina.
Her favorite thing,
Oh, wow.
the walk-in closet.
This is big. I want to walk
I
in
know,
closet.
I know you do.
There's a bathroom, hopefully.
there's a
yeah.
full bath
okay.
here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. Holy cow.
This is huge.
This is big.
This is
This
awesome.
really big. Yeah.
Well, let's see what you think of the bedrooms upstairs, guys.
It is a lot of steps, Ken. I like my ranch.
I knew I'd hear that from you, Jeff. Well, come on in, the first bedroom's here on my left.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is a nice little bedroom.
Yeah, nice little space.
Nice natural light.
Yeah. It's
Looks
small,
cool.
but it could be a good like nursery.
It's small and it could be on the main level. Just saying.
Well, let's take a look at the potential down here for you guys.
All right.
Yeah. It's a big space.
Yeah, it's a big unfinished space though, Ken. You know I really want that finished basement. We love to host, we love to have friends over and play cards. And so like having a basement that doesn't need a lot of work would be really nice because I have absolutely no skills when it comes to renovation. I'm not a handy guy and I'm okay with that. Like that's not my strong suit. I mean, how much does it cost to like finish a basement?
Yeah, so if you finished everything down here, probably 25 to 35,000 in a basement like this. It's laid out so you have a fourth bedroom someday and a bathroom down here.
The fact that the house is $325 though, and the basement's unfinished, and we'd have to put all that money into it down the road.
Right.
You know, that kind of stresses me out a little bit. But
We might be rich in 3 years.
You never know.
yeah, you never know. We could be.
Today I brought you to see a ranch. It's got about 1,500 square feet on the main floor, plus a finished basement for Jeff.
Oh, sweet. I love the finished basement.
And what year was this built in?
This was built in 1992.
Oh man, that's when I was born. Okay, so this is old. Okay, what's the price on it?
The price on this one is actually pretty good at $289,900.
Ooh,
Okay.
Under
That's
where you want
nice.
to
Yeah,
stay.
yeah,
it's nice when the price is a little lower. It's got average roof real estate, can put some lights up there,
yeah.
but not a lot of space for Christmas
Yeah,
time.
it wouldn't look as good as you wanted.
It's got some trees, could throw some lights in there, but
Yeah.
Come on in, guys.
Huh. It's
Right off to
interesting.
your right.
it's an interesting kitchen.
Lots of colors.
Yeah.
This house seems like it's going to be a lot of work. It doesn't have that cottage style I was looking for. So it's just missing the mark a little bit for me. I don't like this cover style.
Yeah.
It's just, I don't know, that color's kind of weird.
I mean, I don't mind the color, but we could like paint those.
Cabinets are a little lower for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed that too. I like that a
Yeah.
lot.
You
I
could
can
reach
reach
into
everything. I don't love that it's not open concept. I feel like this whole wall doesn't really need to be here.
I think it's fine. Like you can easily see in here and see how big the
Yeah,
room
you
is.
can see it if you're 6'10".
Well, I'm 6'1", and you can easily look over this and see.
Yeah,
You
just
can-
no problem.
You can
Yeah.
jump a little bit.
Yeah, just jump. Yeah. Ha ha ha.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
This is a really cool deck.
It's a great
I
yard.
love this. All the green. This is a great backyard.
There's no fence though, so
Yeah, unfortunately, no fence, but hopefully with this price point and possibility of some negotiation, we can get that down even further.
yeah.
And then give you money right up front to put that fence in right
Oh,
up
that-
front.
Oh, that'd be really nice.
Yeah, that would be sweet. Oh, there's a deck over here too?
Yeah.
This is cool. And there's a slide.
Yeah, there is.
Let me see this thing. Oh, this is
Down the little
sweet.
kids area.
I could take this every day. Woo! That's it. I want it.
And there's a bathroom and bedroom right off to your left here.
Oh,
Okay.
cool.
Oh, yeah. It's
Yeah,
kind
it's
of
like-
old, but
Yeah, it's definitely a little old, but it's a nice bathroom. Nice that it's right by what could be the kids' room eventually.
right. This would be a cute nursery one day.
Yeah.
Well, let's see what you think about the master suite.
Okay.
It's just off to the right.
Great. Oh, wow. There's a lot of space in here.
Yeah.
This is really ugly paint.
Yes, that is an ugly yellow for sure. This house is a little older, and I know that bothers Gina a lot, and there are some things that are really ugly about it, but I think we can fix a lot of those things. Most of it's just the color of the paint. So I don't mind it being an older home. It means the price is a little cheaper. Oh, this is cool.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's his and hers closets on both ends.
That is really nice. It's old, but I love the space.
Yeah.
I like that the basement's finished. One less project.
Yeah, I'm excited to see it.
Oh, wow. There's a lot of good space down
Cool.
here.
This is really cool.
Yeah. You know what I'm going to say, though?
I do. You're gonna say you hate the wood.
That's bad. Come on.
That is ugly.
That's like straight from 85.
But it's all finished and ready to go.
Yeah,
That's
it
true.
is,
One less project.
which is really cool.
A few coats of paint and it'll feel like home. And we've got a third bedroom here. It's just a small one.
Look at that carpet.
Looks like a putting green.
That's really bad.
There's a nice fourth bedroom over here that's a good size.
There's 2 bedrooms upstairs, 2 downstairs. I was hoping for a few more bedrooms upstairs for the kids down the road.
brought you to check out new construction ranch today.
Ooh, I like it.
Yeah, it looks cool.
I love that it has the cottage style that I'm looking for.
Yeah.
And it's 3 beds, space to finish a 4th.
Yeah.
2.5 full baths.
Okay.
What about the peaks, Jeff? You like those?
Yeah, there you go.
I love the roof real estate. I mean, it's gonna be sweet for Christmas lights in the winter
Yeah.
and a lot of space to throw those up.
That
So,
looks so good.
so with it being a new house, is it gonna be a little more expensive or?
Yeah, just a fuzz over where we want to be at $324,900.
But it'll look good with Christmas lights.
It will. Will I be able to afford Christmas lights with that increase?
We're gonna have to see on that one.
Yeah.
All right, guys, come on in.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
It's a cool kitchen.
I really like the new. It
definitely-
just
it's-
feels so much better.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely nice in here. I mean,
Yeah.
the cabinets
And the
all the
trim.
plants. Yeah, it looks sweet.
See, I'm already getting Jeff to stretch the budget.
I mean,
like-
it's a nice house so far, that's for sure.
It's got the nice island. It's got quartz countertops. Got some nice high spaces here for Sheena.
These are a little high,
Yeah.
but
These are a little high for you.
we'll just
This is
keep
where I
things.
can hide all the extra cash if we do buy this house.
We won't.
right.
We won't have any extra cash if we have this house.
All right, let's take a look at the backyard, guys. There's nice space back here for the dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah. No fence though.
Yeah. The no fence is a bummer, man.
Or you just train them to stay put. How's that gonna work?
I'm not great at training dogs per se.
Laundry off to your right.
This is sweet.
I like
it's a nice
this a
room.
lot.
Yeah.
You
That's
can
nice.
close the door when
Yeah.
we don't finish the laundry in time for guests to come over.
Yeah. Dirty underwear.
Don't
though.
have to air out my dirty laundry. Love it.
And then we've got a little mud room here, half bath.
Oh yeah, nice.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
And then this heads right into the master.
Cool.
Oh wow.
Oh, this
So
is-
much light in here.
Yeah.
No ceiling fan though.
Oh yeah.
That would
That'd
stink.
be
In the summer.
that'd be a little rough.
Jeff's handy.
You could
No,
just plop
I'm
one
not
in.
Throw one of those
yeah.
up.
Dude, I can't.
We can take a look at what might be your favorite spot.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Yay! Look at this. Oh my gosh.
This is huge.
You could fit an air mattress in here on our hard nights. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh.
All right, guys, so there's 2 bedrooms and a full bath here.
Oh yeah, here's one.
Oh
of them.
yeah.
Kind of smaller.
Yeah.
Like, it would be a good nursery.
A lot of
So-
folks will use this as an office to start as well.
Ken, are you telling us not to have kids?
Definitely not, Gina. I'm excited to see what you guys think about the potential down here in the basement.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
So this lays out for a really nice rec room, bedroom, and bathroom behind where we are here in the future.
Oh yeah.
Oh okay.
Yeah, it's definitely big, but obviously the extra cost that it would be to finish this is a bit, nerve-wracking. So
Yeah.
I like it. It's just the fact that it's unfinished is kind of freaking me out. We're making a huge decision that will affect the next 20, 30, 40 years. So
Awesome. So let's talk about the new construction priced at $325, the 2-story.
yeah. So it's more than what I would want to pay. It makes me a little uncomfortable. The basement's not finished, so we'd have to pay more. It's not a ranch, so. But,
I like the 2-story, I really do, but I would like all the bedrooms on the same level.
yeah.
Also, at that price, it probably would be nice to have 4 bedrooms. But I did love that kitchen. It had the cottage feel. I
Yeah.
really liked it.
It does have a really good roof. There's a lot of space for Christmas lights. It could be really cool. So
Let's talk about the outdated, the ranch house with the 4 bedrooms.
Yeah.
What do you think of that one?
naturally I liked that just because of the price. I didn't love the roof space. Like there wasn't a lot of great space for lights.
The deck was pretty amazing though, the outside area.
Oh yeah,
and-
the back deck was sweet.
But I didn't love how old the house felt.
Yeah.
It just felt outdated.
Yeah.
And I don't like that. It's 2 bedrooms on the first level and 2 on the lower level.
Yeah. So I really like that this house had the finished basement. And so with this house, it feels like we are getting extra space for even a lower price. I don't know. I really like this house. What'd you think of the new construction ranch that's priced at $324,000?
So that's not really the style I was looking for. I was really hoping for a 2-story home.
It is that new construction that you really wanted. Mm-hmm. It's a little overpriced,
At that price, it seems like 3 bedrooms is kind of small.
but it's on the same level.
Right.
It's got really good roof space for Christmas lights. With that price range, an unfinished basement is a little nerve-wracking for me.
Right. So out of the 3, really see ourselves growing a family here, and it just felt like home when we walked through it.
We've been here for 3 weeks. It's been a really quick turnaround. We've had to move a lot in, but we love it. We're starting to finally get settled in. I was obviously really resistant to going over price, but the more we talked, it was very apparent, like, the house we're moving into is gonna be the house we're gonna live in for a really long time. And so I decided, like, it's worth the investment of paying a little bit more than what I was comfortable with.
We were really happy it's move-in ready because we didn't have any projects walking in, and it just feels like home right away.
Can you imagine all these lights up on this new house? We might have the greatest light show this neighborhood has ever seen.
Well, it's a new neighborhood.
Yeah, that's true.